You don't need experience. You don't need a product. You don't even need money to start this. But right now, there's a window that is open because thousands of local businesses are completely unprepared for what's happening with AI. And that's where this opportunity comes in. Most people think if you want to start a business, you need to build something, a product, an app, a website, something from scratch. But what if you could launch your own software company without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what GoHighLevel lets you do. GoHighLevel is a white label platform, which means when you use it, it looks like your own software, your own app, your own login, your own system. So instead of building the tools, you're really packaging them. And here's what makes this even more powerful. You're not starting from scratch. When you get started with HighLevel, you can white label the entire platform as your own software, your own brand, your own login, your own system. But more importantly, you're not figuring this out alone. Because what I've done is I've built out the exact foundation you need to look like a legitimate AI agency almost immediately. That includes a full AI agency website, pre-built, ready to go. Here I am in my AI agency website. This is my actual agency, and this is the same website template that I give to my affiliates.
Just for you right now.
What if you had someone who answered 100% of the inbound calls your business received, filtered out the spam, and converted everyone else into qualified and interested leads? What if they answered the phone for you 24/7, even outside of your business hours? And what if every time they handled a call, that employee sent your team an email with a summary of
really quick so I can show you the other parts. We've got where someone can call and speak and role play to the AI. We also have right here where someone can role play with the AI. So they can click on it and we'll do a quick
Hi,
role play.
I'm Jenna, the friendly AI assistant at Biz Dominance. Today, I want to show you how I can act as a custom voice AI agent for your business. Can I show you a quick demo?
Jenna, that would be amazing, but actually I'm going to have to give you a call back.
No worries at all. Thanks for your time, and I'll be here whenever you're ready to check out the demo. Have a great rest of your day.
Okay, thanks. Right, so we've got that. We've got an actual AI chat widget where you can do live chat, ask questions about this dominance, of course, your business when it's your business, and that's all cool. As we go down, we have here again where they can call if they prefer to call and do via phone rather than browser-based. And then we've got some examples that people can listen to before they actually talk to.
How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for some new cool glasses, and a friend of mine told me that you all have unique frames kind of not found in other stores.
Absolutely. At Enjoy Optical,
So I call these audiograms, and I've got different examples. So if someone is hesitant...
Hi, this is Alex with Acme Heat, Air, and Plumbing. How can I assist you today?
If someone's hesitant to actually call the voice AI, and they're like, man, I don't know what this is going to do or what I'm going to get roped into, they can actually watch these audiograms before they ever do anything, and it will kind of like edge them closer, like, hey, maybe I should give this AI agent a call. As we scroll down, we've got a missed revenue calculator. What this does is the prospect, the business owner, can play with it and think, well, how many calls a week do I miss? Maybe I miss about 30, 40 calls a week. And what's my average sale worth? Let's say it's worth $500.
That's free.
Maybe they're an HVAC company, like heating and air conditioning company, and the average sale is $500. You know, this is, and maybe their close rate, maybe they close about 40% of the people that they talk to. Well, this is potential revenue that they could be missing annually, as well as weekly and monthly. And it kind of really wakes them up to like, oh, wow, maybe I could use this. Anyway, back to the website. We're talking about the website. As you can see, it's very cool and already set up and establishes me as an authority in the AI agency space. Very cool different things through here. And then we've got a features page. Oh, we've got the examples, which are the audiograms. All right, here's another one.
Hi, I'm Ashley, the friendly AI assistant.
And then we've got features page. And on this features page, it really just kind of establishes you, again, as an authority, as an AI agency. Conversational phone calls, custom working hours, route your inbound calls, etc., etc. Why use Biz Dominance or why use your agency? Missed calls equal lost revenue. More conversations equal sales. Reviews equal trust and more sales. Then we can call to calculate their missed call revenue potential. Then you've got various things like voice AI right here, chat AI, reviews AI, on-call 24/7, workflow AI, fill your calendar instantly, the AI-powered CRM, of course, that's GoHighLevel, everything to streamline and grow the client's business, right? Integrated with 2,000 plus tools, have a question, and then frequently asked questions they might ask. What are AI employees? How do they work? Etc. All this is already made for you. And then we've got your pricing page, right? You've got monthly pricing and annual pricing and all the features that you get. Now, what you get from me is a template. So you can set your pricing at whatever you want your pricing to be. And my award-winning demo drop system, which lets you send businesses personalized AI demos of their businesses automatically. As I'm testing this, I'm putting a real name in, my name. I'm putting a fake email in, and I'm going to put a real company in so we can actually see it scrape a real company website. I'm going to use 4-Star Fitness. Now, I don't know who 4-Star Fitness is. I just know they're a fitness place here in Oklahoma. I am going to drop in their website. Go here, grab their web address. As you can see, they do not have a web chat on their website. And I'm going to click Launch My Demo. It's building the demo, which is really, really cool. All right, and as you can see, their site is loading. And just like that, we've got their website. They're going to see their website, like the prospect just put their information in. It built their agent in under 10 seconds. Look at this. Everyone likes seeing their own name, their own business. And here's their business right here. We're going to click on this. We can chat via live chat or chat voice. We can do both. Let's just do the voice really quick. And again, this is how the prospect would get to interact with their own AI agent that you just built them, or the system just built them.
Hi, thanks for calling 4-Star Fitness. My name is Emma. How can I help you?
Hey, Emma, can you tell me a little bit about 4-Star Fitness? I'm kind of shopping around for a place to start working out.
Of course. 4-Star Fitness is all about helping you crush your fitness goals. We've got multiple locations around Oklahoma City, all open 24/7 for your convenience. Amenities include tanning beds, dry saunas, and even a kids club at some spots. Plus, we offer personal training if you're looking for extra guidance. Anything specific you're curious about?
Well, could I come in and try it out before I commit to signing up?
Absolutely. We offer free day passes for Oklahoma residents, so you can check out the facilities before committing. You can request one by filling out a form on our website. Would you like me to guide you on how to do that?
Actually, no, I don't need that at this time. Hey, Emma, I've got someone at the door, but this has been really helpful. I'll give you a call back.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Thanks for considering 4-Star Fitness, and feel free to reach out anytime. Have a great evening.
How about that? Is that incredible or what? The business owner gets to experience the AI agent on their own website talking about their business. And now their brain is shifting like, whoa, they're seeing how this can help their business. And it did all of this in under 10 seconds. So instead of trying to learn everything first, you can actually start with tools that are already in place. And here's why that matters. Because local businesses don't need more tools. They need results. They need more calls, more leads, more booked appointments. And they're already losing these leads every single day. Most business websites right now, they're basically dead. They don't respond, they don't engage, they don't convert. They just sit there. Meanwhile, customers are landing on those sites and getting ghosted and leaving. So your opportunity is not to sell software. Your opportunity is to fix that problem that they have. And there are two simple ways you can do this. Option number one is start a service, right? This is a fast way to make money. You pick a niche, could be chiropractors, med spas, roofers, law firms. Hell, there are millions of businesses out there. Doesn't matter. Then you help them do one thing, and that's get more appointments using GoHighLevel. Using GoHighLevel, you can set up AI chat on their website, AI voice, answering missed calls, automated follow-ups, booking systems, everything all in one place. Now, here's the key. You're not pitching them. you're showing them. That's where my entire system comes in. It's based on sending businesses personalized AI demos. You take their website, drop in an AI agent, and show them exactly what it would be like if their site actually talked to customers. And when they see it, when they engage with it, you don't need to convince them. They immediately get it. And this is how people and my students are landing clients, charging anywhere from $300 to $500 to $1,000 per month per business. So even at just 5 clients a month, you're making $2,000 to $5,000 a month. Now that's a side hustle. But here's where it gets really interesting. Option 2, turn it into a SaaS business. This is where things really scale. Instead of just charging for a service, you give them access to your system, your branded platform, your app, essentially. Now you're not just an agency anymore, you're a software company. And the same thing you built for one client, you duplicate for the next, and the next, and the next. And that's how you go from side hustle to predictable monthly recurring revenue to a real SaaS business. And remember, you didn't do any of the coding, right? Now you're thinking, well, yeah, but I don't have any experience. I didn't have any experience. But that's also a real advantage right now because most business owners, they don't understand this yet. They don't understand what really can be done with AI. We're still in the very early adoption stage of this. And in every tech shift, the people who won and the people who win are not the most technical. They're the ones who moved first. So if you can pick a niche, show them what's possible, and give them a simple but powerful solution, you can build this. Now, if you haven't seen my video on how to get businesses to ask you for demos and to blow their minds, and how to build those demos in under 10 seconds automatically, you need to watch this video right here. Look, because that's the piece that turns us into a client-getting machine and how my students are crushing it using the demo drop system.
Hi everyone, my name is Josh. So first of all, I don't want to brag here, but I just want to give some motivation and to inspire you guys under DAR. I use all the system, the snapshot for agency, and it worked like a charm. I increased to 50 up to 100 customers, and I did I think it was the first, obviously it was the first AI bootcamp with DAR. And this is why the game changer, because instead of selling all those tools and system in GHL directly, by selling something really, really popular right now, which is AI, the bootcamp changed my life, meaning put my life so much simple by implementing their snapshot. And on top of it, the cherry on the sundae, Dar and Steve give it to me, personal, customized a demo to the customer. Guys, just today, I start a new call center. We're using exactly the same script. Everything you're going to learn with them, okay? In the bootcamp. We use the same script, same everything, using the tools. On 25 calls, we got 20 people on the line. And on the 20 people on the line, 15 accept the demo. And we're probably going to close all of them. Right now, we close already 5 of them. And probably going to close more. The follow-up is going to be tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, because we try to always do the follow-up under 48 hours. That's our rules. And we are not expert in sales. We are more tech people, and we're able to do it. And thanks a lot to Dar and the team. And the only thing advice I can give it to you guys, follow the system. Don't try to listen and try to do something else. If you follow the system, trust me, it's working. I'm a proof here, okay? So God bless. Wish you all the best, guys.
Also, if you want to shortcut this entire process, here's what I've put together for you. When you start a free trial on GoHighLevel, you're not just getting the software. You're getting a fully built AI agency website template so you can look legit from day one. You're also going to get access to my demo drop system so you can send personalized AI demos without building everything manually. This is the exact system that I use and that my students are using to get clients, to land them quickly. So if you want to get access to this, here's what to do. Drop a comment below, side hustle. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Come on, subscribe. You know you want to. And share this with someone who's possibly thinking about starting something online. And once you do that, I'll send you a personal invite link to my free AI SaaS launch community. And inside that community, you're going to get access to free trainings, resources, guidance on how to start building this kind of AI SaaS business using HighLevel. You'll also get access to a free 30-day trial of HighLevel using my affiliate link. And when you activate that free trial, that's when you'll unlock the real foundations, because I'm going to give you my AI agency website template, my demo drop system, my AI demo tools, and all the trainings that show you how to actually put this together and start presenting yourself like a real AI agency fast. So comment side hustle, I'll get you pointed in the right direction, because this is one of those opportunities that really looks obvious after it's already gone. But really, it's obvious now. I'll see you in the next video.